Samsung should be really freaking out right now. The specs of the upcoming foldable from OPPO and OnePlus have just been leaked. And this sounds weird, but it's a device that has two names. At least that was the case with the last generation, which was named OPPO Find N3 in some places and OnePlus Open in other places. But it's basically the same device, and specs have already been leaked for the next generation, which could be OPPO Find N5 or OnePlus Open 2 as well. I have no idea why they make these kinds of decisions, but that's what they've decided. The specs look very interesting, surely capable of completely crushing the Galaxy Z Fold6. This information has been leaked by Digital Chat Station, who is usually reputable. He claims that this foldable will have larger screens, although he does not give us an exact figure, but he does ensure that the internal screen will have a resolution higher than 2K. However, this would not be the most attractive element of this foldable. Rather, like the last generation, the most attractive feature would be in its cameras. In this case, I would bet on a triple camera configuration integrating ultra-wide, wide, and telephoto. Remember that OPPO does not usually say that one is the main camera in these high-end devices, but considers all three to be main cameras. In this case, it would integrate 50 megapixel sensors in each of them. And the optical zoom would be 3x, but knowing what OPPO does, it would apply a crop inside the sensor to still give you 6x zoom without loss of quality. Integrating a configuration very similar to the last generation, but surely with improvements in the sensors or lenses. But that is not yet so clearly known. And another of the most important improvements it would have would be in the battery, because according to what Digital Chat Station says, the battery will have a capacity of 5,700 milliampere hours. That would be far superior to the battery that Samsung incorporates in the Galaxy Z Fold6, but that's not the best thing about it. The best part is that despite increasing the battery capacity in a brutal way and having three extremely high-quality cameras, this device would maintain a thickness of less than 10 millimeters compared to the more than 11 millimeters thickness of the Galaxy Z Fold6 with a smaller battery and simpler cameras. So I think OPPO and OnePlus will do a very good job on this foldable, although it is not yet known if it will have, for example, wireless charging or if it will have water and dust resistance. But what is known at least in the form of rumor and leak is that it will have the Snapdragon 8 Elite to be able to compete toe-to-toe with the device you want. Personally, it seems to me one of the most attractive foldable, and I look forward to meet him soon.